to come up with a new solution for holoscopic 3D camera. So it's converting a single sensor camera into a 3D camera using a lenticular lens. And so the Raspberry Pi was a really great help to kind of make sure I capture the images and to prototype a cheap solution using the holoscopic technology. Yeah, one of the applications of using a 3D camera is to actually use it in the endoscopy, in a way to measure the distance you kind of drill, especially one of the applications I worked with the biomedical department to kind of see how far you can dig into the skull without touching the brain or whatever. So it's kind of, they needed a system or sensors to detect how deep they go in. So using just such a camera that made by the Raspberry Pi, that small form, you can really kind of get that information out in a really small scale. It was really difficult. So one of the challenges is to kind of try find ways of manipulating the camera sensor to implement the lens array. Trial and error. So it was a lot of practice, a lot of ways to try and finding the best method to actually do it. So I think it was more of a hand-on to kind of try and see what works and what not. I think showing people what you can actually do. Okay, how a code, for example, going from coding to an actual physical product, I think that gap, if you just show it nicely, it attracts a lot of people, especially kids. I have my little sister, I have multiple 3D printers at home, which is something I love doing, and she's really inspired. Both my siblings are really inspired by the fact that, okay, you can actually have a model, go from design to development right away. So I think showing them and getting them hands-on in the things they do helps a lot and kind of show them what they can do with electronics. Inspiring us to kind of what we did in engineering, and having events like these to kind of push us forward, to inspire us to do more, I think is a great way of, pushing electronics to the next level. And thank you, it's a really great event. It was a pleasure for me and to meet a lot of other great engineers in the field, doing great stuff. So, thank you.